In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right iQIYI app on your Android smartphone. If you want to get this movie and TV drama shows up on your Android smartphone, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps to get the right app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. To get this app on your Android smartphone, all you need to do is to go ahead and look for Play Store. And then from Play Store, go ahead and search for iQIYI. And if you search, you'll be taken to this app here. So if you tap on this, you can see the company is iQIYI. And this is the current logo for this app. The tagline is iQIYI drama anime show. At the time of recording this app has over 1 million reviews with a star rating of 4.6 and the file size is averagely 67 MBs. Currently, this app has over 1 million downloads. So if you see these variables, know that you are on the right app. To get it, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of this drama app and then install it on your smartphone. Once this app has been installed, now you can proceed from here and open, or if you go back and open your apps, now you should be able to see your iQIYI app. If you open it, this is the welcoming note, and this is the home interface for this app. So that's how you can install the right iQIYI app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.